Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm here to guide you on downloading Aella credit loan app for your iPhone. In this video, we will walk you through the simple process of getting the Aella credit loan app on your iPhone device. If you are in need of quick access to loans with flexible repayment option, Aella Credit has you covered. First of all, connect your iPhone with internet, either Wi-Fi or data. Once you are connected to the internet, now look at the App Store on your device. It is usually a blue icon with a white letter A. Tap on it. Once you are in the App Store, you have to hit that search button. It looks like a magnifying glass. Now type in Aella Credit Loan. Here, you will see the Aella app on your screen. Open the app page, and you will see the Get option in blue icon. So tap on the Get option. Your iPhone might ask you for your Apple ID password or to use Face ID or Touch ID. Don't worry, that's just to make sure it is really you. Now type your password. Once you have done that, the app will start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can open it directly through the App Store by tapping on Open option. Or you will see the app icon right there on your home screen. So this is the process to download the Aella Credit Loan app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.